How you doing? Dave Bertram, and today I'm going to take you for a quick walkthrough on the 2025 Bertram 39 center console. Starting in the aft, this boat is equipped with triple V10 400s, of course joystick control. Boat runs really great with that. The boat's got a 13.3 beam, so she's big, but that's plenty of power. In the back, you've got two live wells. You've got one port, one starboard, and you can notice how big those are, and that's great. Transom rocket launchers here. You do have an electrically actuated transom seat here that comes out with just a push of a button. In the center here, this is going to be our pump room along with our generator and our gyro seatkeeper. This boat has great mezzanine seating here facing aft, and this works well. This here does pull down, and then you've got some more storage behind there. And of course underneath here there's a nice big freezer box that's all insulated. Port and starboard fish boxes, both macerated. In the back here on the port side, you do have a small prep station with a freshwater sink. Of course, port side, we've got a dive door. Starboard side, we have our transom entry. As we come forward, you'll notice the teak letterback Helm seats, really nice. And having 4 seats is really nice, whereas most boats this size are going to have 3 Helm seats. Again, all with really nice high gloss teak side rails here. At the helm, boat is appointed with 2 Garmin screens. Of course, that's going to integrate all of our GPS, chop water fish finder. Going to have our Mercury joystick here. Of course, our Mercury controls, trim tabs, everything ergonomically where it should be. Nice big window, no blind spots. There is a power vent forward, so you can get some ventilation back here. Mercury controls are going to be above head, and a little storage area with of course a 12 volt. One nice feature on the Bertram is underneath the seats here is going to be where all your batteries are. So instead of having those down in a wet bilge, those are going to be nice and dry up here underneath your helm seat. Also makes it really nice for when you have to change the batteries. As we go down into the cabin of the 39, again, really nicely appointed. You can look at how big this bed is. Really nice for 2 adults. Underneath the bed, there is going to be some storage under here. You can put your rods under there. You can see they go from port to starboard. As you come down, small little galley here, starboard side. Of course, just a small sink. Another refrigerator. You're going to have your breakers here, and you're going to have some more storage above head here. And just beyond that is going to be your head. Of course, you're going to have a wet head. There is a separate shower in there, but that is a wet head with access to all of your controls behind the helm there. There is a small microwave down here as well too, so it's definitely a boat that is capable. If you want to go out and spend a weekend on it, you can surely do it down here. As we come up to the bow, again, you'll see how wide this boat is, even with an enormous console and 4 helm seats. You still have plenty of room coming up. You can see how high this boat is. This boat is really made for offshore. Coming forward, one thing to note is these really cool storage compartments, both port and starboard. These are great for fenders. You'll notice that you have your dive ladder here, and there is fresh and saltwater washdowns inside there as well. You'll also notice small receivers here. This boat is equipped with the optional bow cover, so there is a bow sunshade that you put up manually so that you can have some shade up here. When you're up here, again, look at the size of this bow area. There's a ton of room up here to work, whether you're fishing or just entertaining. Big seats, of course, storage underneath all these seats for your bow table, storage port and starboard, another insulated chest inside here with an overboard drain. But again, you can see just the size of this boat. Even when you're sitting here, it's very comfortable, regardless if you're fishing or if you're just entertaining. You get the bow table that goes forward, small cutouts here, you know, little touches like this. You can see it's very comfortable when you're sitting up here, and it's very deep, so it's a very dry boat as well. So again, that was just a quick tour of the new 2025 39 Bertram. It is here at MarineMax Boston, and for more information, please call me, Dave Bertram, at 401-569-3874, or visit us at marinemax.com.